and good morning. I have got something so exciting that I want to share with you guys. Um, I have been creating teaching resources since, oh my gosh, I don't know, since I started teaching, really. I used to go to Teachers Pay Teachers and look up free centers and, get some free centers when I needed them. And then I just started making my own. And then I thought, well, why don't I sell these? So I've got a store on Teachers Pay Teachers that most of you know about called Teach Pre-K. But all summer long, I have taken my theme lesson plans and I have broken them into either one or two center products. I have some are like just like what I do for crafts or fine motor or whatever, and you get all my instructions and my templates and my ideas. But most of them are going to be the themed centers that I use every single day with every theme that I do. Um, they are all $1. I opened a dollar store. I wanted my whole catalog to be available to anybody that wanted help making their class be the best that it could be. And through TPT, I couldn't do it because they don't like things priced under $2. And if you do create things under $2, they take a large service fee, and you end up just it's just not it's just really not worth it. So I thought, okay, I've been toying with this idea. I thought, what if I did three centers for $3, whatever. And then I was like, no, I want a teacher who teaches preschool, pre-K, TK, or even kindergarten for a lot of my stuff too. um, to just be able to go to my shop, click on a theme, get whatever they want, whatever they need for $1. You don't have to buy the giant lesson plan for $8. You don't have to get a huge dramatic play set for $4. I have taken every single dramatic play set that I sell on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I've abbreviated it down to just the essentials, just a few cute little signs, order forms, things like that. $1. Every single thing is $1. Classroom posters, some themes have coloring sheets for your writing center right now. I am adding more and more things every day. Right now, I have about 700 centers in there across 22 themes. Um, the themes I haven't loaded yet, oh gosh, what? They're all late in the year themes. So, like spring, bugs, butterflies, rainforest. Um, some of those late January holidays, like Lunar New Year, Martin Luther King, Groundhog Day, St. Patrick's Day, all of those I'm working on. Everything will be loaded. I will also create some new categories of some themeless literacy centers and math centers, shape centers, counting, beginning sounds, letter formation, just all of that. I've got like classroom posters for every single theme. I also have broken up most of my classroom decor kit into like different single items um, that are all $1. Um, but my whole goal is to make my life's work available to anyone who wants it. There will be a place on there where you can enter your email, and I will still be sending out like some freebies and giving links to freebies and stuff like I normally do. But I want to offer you guys everything. So if you see a video where I'm doing an apple theme and it's like, where's that apple activity? All you do is go to tpkdollarstore.com, click on apples, it'll open up and just find that center. Easy as can be. So it's tpkdollarstore.com. The TPK is for Teach Pre-K, dollarstore.com. So I'm super happy to launch that. Oh my gosh, I actually only came up with the idea to do this about 3 weeks ago. So if I've loaded 700 products in 3 weeks, I know school is starting, but I'm just going to try to make sure that I get at least to 10 to 20 or even more. I've got a really good system down now for you guys, and so everything will be refreshed and updated, and new things will be added constantly. If there is something that, like an activity that you really liked from one theme and you don't see it in another, you can email me, and if I have time to make it, I will. Usually, I can just cross template things really quickly, but I will be honest with you and tell you if I don't have time, because like I said, I am going to be a grandma, and I'm going to have to take some trips out to North Carolina to see my new granddaughter in a couple of months. But yeah, so go to tpkdollarstore.com. I'm going to leave the link in my description, and I'll pin the top comment, and just go see what I've got and have some fun. And then one Sunday, when you've got the Sunday scaries and you're like, crap, what am I going to do tomorrow? I need a shape activity. You can find one super quick. But it's just my way of giving you guys my life's work in the best way that I possibly can. And I don't want to compete with TPT in any way. So doing this is taking things that I sell for a higher price, but dissecting them so it's not the same thing. Yeah, you don't have to have 9 math centers and 6 literacy centers and an art center and classroom posters for $8. You can go pick up the classroom posters for $1 if that's all you want. So that is that. But I'm excited about it. Through the year, I will be showing things, and I will leave links as often as I can to those specific items. But like I said, I've already got 700 things in there. But I'm excited. Go shopping. You'll have a fun time, I promise, and have the best year ever. My first day starts in, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, it starts in a couple of hours. I've got to get going, but thank you so much.